Investors are always hesitant to ask difficult and risky questions such as, is Polkadot a good investment? We forecasted the Polkadot price from 2022 to 2030 in this video. What will Polkadot coins be worth at the end of the year or in 5 years if you own them now? CoinMarketCap is currently ranked number 10 in the world, with a live market cap of $21,187,138,283. Polkadot's prediction will outperform all cryptocurrency investors' expectations in terms of price and market cap. Polkadot price forecast for 2022. Based on our research and historical data, Polkadot predicts that the DOT price will rise as its blockchain platform transitions away from Ethereum and becomes listed on major cryptocurrency market exchanges. Polkadot could be worth $29 by June 2022, and $36 by the end of the year. Polkadot price forecast for 2023. Polkadot will reach $51 by May 2023 if the current bullish trend continues. The first and second halves of 2022 and 2023 may be quite different. Polkadot's value could reach $65 by the end of 2023 if Bitcoin's value rises and countries do not ban cryptocurrency. Polkadot price forecast. The years 2024, 2024, and 2025 are all very long. According to experts, the development of a pandemic vaccine will result in an increase in DOT trades and other cryptocurrencies. Polkadot will be worth $77 by the end of 2024. Polkadots will be more expensive in 2025. Expert cryptocurrency investors always prioritize long-term earnings potential over short-term gains. Polkadot intends to break all barriers and endure the test of time, with a high of $95 by June 2025 and a potential high of $147 by the end of 2025. Investors who are patient and keep their hopes up can expect a turnaround by the end of 2025 when Polkadot will be a seasoned player. Price forecast for Polkadots in 2030. Forecasters predict that the price of Polkadot at the end of the year will be higher than in any previous year. The price could rise dramatically, reaching $510 by the end of 2030. A price increase of this magnitude is unusual in both public and private chains. Please contribute by liking it, subscribing to it, and leaving your predictions in the comments.